The House of Whispers. I remember the first time my parents left me home alone. I felt like a big kid and thought, I can do this. For a little while, everything was perfect. I watched my favorite cartoon and ate a big bowl of popcorn. Then I called my best friend and we talked about everything and nothing at all. After our chat, I picked up a book about brave knights and dragons. But the house was so quiet, too quiet. My ears started to listen for every little sound. Tap, tap, tap. A soft sound came from the window. I wondered what it could be. It sounded like it was coming from the window. I turned off all the lights so no one could see me and tiptoed to the window to peek outside. I thought I would see a scary monster trying to get in, but there was nothing there. It was just a tree branch, dancing in the wind and tapping on the glass. I felt a little silly. I turned the lights back on and sat down with my book again. A few minutes later, I heard a creak and then a clunk. My imagination started to run wild. I pictured funny, furry creatures hiding in the corners of the house, making all sorts of noises. I was so happy when my parents came home. I told them about all the strange noises. They smiled and said that all houses whisper and creak. I'm much braver now, but sometimes that tapping tree still makes me jump.